As the second group presents, watch for the connections between the first and second group solutions. While the first group uses pictures of turkeys to find out that there are 19.5 groups of 500 grams in the total turkey mass of 9,750 grams, the second group uses a double number line.
So first what we did was we converted 9.75 kilograms into 9,750 grams.
Afterwards, because it takes 20 minutes to cook every 500 grams, we made a rate. So it was 20 minutes to every 500 grams. We multiplied that rate by 9 to get 180 minutes for every 4,500 grams. We noticed that if we multiply by 9 again, we would not get close to 9,750 grams. So we multiplied 20 to every 500 by 10 to get 200 minutes for every 5,000 grams. We added those two up to get 380 minutes for 9,500 grams. Because 9,750 minus 9,500 is 250 grams, we had to figure out how much time it takes to cook 250 grams. So we divided 20 by 2 and 500 by 2 to get 10 minutes for 250 grams.
So then after we did that, we added 250, which is 10 minutes, to 380, and then it turned into 390 to 9,750.
Okay. Any questions for the group?
Why did you guys over there where it says 20 the rate 500 times 9? Why did you guys multiply by 9?
So we could get close to 9,750. How much minutes it takes to cook that amount?
Let's highlight this part here. Surian's group, Surian and Ivan. Pay attention to the notation. Here they put it that they're multiplying, the proper notation is actually they're multiplying 20 times 9 as well as 500 times 9. So this is 20 times 9 and 500 times 9 times 500. That's how they got the 180 minutes and 4,500 grams. So properly, it should have been written as 20 times 9 and 500 times 9, right? And that would be equal to this amount. Similar thing down here too, they've got 20 minutes and 500 grams. They're multiplying both terms. This is a rate. They're multiplying the first term by 10 and they're multiplying the second term by 10. That's how they got the 200 and 5,000. Do you guys, thumbs up? Do you guys understand where that comes from? Okay. Any questions? Aisha?
Why is there a number line down there?
Why is there a number line down there?
Okay, we were just, for every 20 minutes you cook 500 grams, we were counting on up to 9,700 to double check our work.
Okay, so let's put it in. So let's put in the grams because they actually use grams here. So I'm going to put in grams here. But what's on top? They have grams on the bottom. What's on top? Hamza.
Minutes.
Okay, so let's put in minutes. Now this is called a double number line. The reason that it's called double number line is there's actually two amounts that you're comparing. What could they do here, this here, to make it a little bit clearer? Tina?
They put the total minutes at the end.
Okay, but what would they do in between for each loop?
The addition sign, what they're adding on, right?
Adding on. So it would be a lot clearer if they did this as 40 minutes and they did this as 80 minutes, because then you can see they're counting on in both cases and they would track it all the way down. Okay? All right. Everyone understand what they did so far?
The teacher draws students' attention to the connections between the different representations within the student's solution. She then probes the thinking about the final 10 minutes in the number line.
So, who understands Surian's group's explanation so far? Who understands the last part, where the 10 minutes and 250 grams comes from? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Okay, turn to your partner and discuss the last bit. Where does that 10 minute and 250 grams come from?
So they got it from the 20 when they divide by 2, and so they divide by 20 by 2, which equals 10, and they divide 500 by 2 to equal 250.
Can you repeat that?
Okay, so they want to get to 9,750. So they wouldn't add like another 5,000 grams because it would be too much. So they would add the 20. They'll divide 20 by 2, and they'll divide 500 by 2. So they can get to 9,750 grams. You get it? Yeah.
All right, here 20, divide by 2, 500, divide by 2, and that would give you another 10 minutes and another 250. What this group did is they're actually making equivalent rates. These are all equivalent rates. So this is an equivalent rate, but they use the operation of, to get equivalent rates of 10 to 50, what operation did they use? Division, right? So they use division here to get them the rate of 250 grams in 10 minutes. Here, they use operation of multiplication. Because they use multiplication here. Let's pick another one. To get 5,000 grams in 200 minutes. Okay? So you can make equivalent rates by doing multiplication or division to the first term and the second term. Okay?